This is a Ghost 2 immobiliser on an SF90 Spider. If a thief tried to steal this, the vehicle's just not going to start up. It's going to come up with a load of errors, but it's not going to fire into life. You'll see we have an immobiliser malfunction pop up on the dash. That's because of the Ghost. But your vehicle's not going to start if a thief's got your key. If it is you, you'll tap the start button with your foot off the brake. You'll go through a code. So you've got to be nice and slow on this. Make sure your buttons are responding and you're getting your click and your lights flashing. We hear a double bleep, then we turn the vehicle off and then foot on the brake and start immediately. It fires into life and we can drive away, select our gear, and the vehicle remains running. We turn it off, we have about 10 seconds till the system sets. And if someone tries to attack it after 10 seconds, it just won't start, as you'll see now. We try and start it, the vehicle doesn't start, doesn't go to ready, we can't select a gear, and if we wait long enough we get the immobiliser malfunction. So foot off the brake, tap the start button, nice and slow with the buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for our double bleep, then turn the car off, foot on the brake and start. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.